guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today, I don't even know what I'm going to title this video. We are just going to talk about makeup products that have either been discontinued or ones I think that brands should build on, but things that I'm like, I love these products. Where did they go? Why aren't there more? So I just thought it'd be a fun idea to kind of talk about these and reminisce, and maybe somebody will listen to us, or me, mostly me. Right? So let's go ahead and get into this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And like this type of video if you like to see these types, you know? I don't know. And let's go ahead and get it in. Okay, so I'm going to start with things that I wish brands would still make. This is the oldest palette I probably own. So when I was in, gosh, I was probably like 18. I used to work at the shoes called Baker's Shoes, which I have plenty of those and I never wear heels anymore. So anyways, my boss from there got me this palette. She loved makeup and I had been eyeing this for so long, you know, on my break and whatever, but I was just like, I'd never spent money on an expensive palette before. Even at Sephora, like I didn't have a lot of experience at all. So she got me this for my birthday and it is shattered and broken, but this was like the original like Kat Von D type shadows and I was like obsessed with it. So yes, it's old as dirt, but you can see it always had really good pigment. The shadows were so smooth. Like I'm gonna just swatch it. So there we go. I miss this. Like I'm like, where did Kat Von D go? Like where did these go? Because there used to be a ton of these in different shades and I got so excited for the brand, and now I can't remember. Like, I mean, I think I brought an eyebrow product from them and that's it over the past year. I miss these little guys like so much. So I do want to know if you guys feel the same way or if you guys even remember this stuff. I feel really old. But yeah, I will always hang on to this just as a reminder of, yeah, it's just one of those products that I'm like, it's been with me for so long and I really like it. Another product is this Too Faced. These were, I remember collecting these things when I started buying makeup. This is the Romantic Eye one, and this is what they looked like. So they had like 3 big shades and then your little shades, and I don't know what happened to this. Like, I don't know why they stopped making them. Man, I gotta figure out where to swatch this stuff. So, but the pigment on these was great and I was obsessed with these things. Like, I thought they were so easy. They came with like all these little cards on the side of like how to put on makeup, and like they were just cute and fun, and I always got them for like gifts for my sisters because they were so like beginner friendly. But yeah, there are the swatches. So these, I was just obsessed with them. I thought they were great. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened to them. Urban Decay Electric palette. I love this thing and they did such a great job with this that I'm like, why not come out with more? You obviously do bright colors so well. Like, I love this Slow Burn shade. Like, that is my shade in the palette. Like, that's good. It's very good. So I know they discontinued it. I hope they bring it back, or I just hope they bring back a larger one with way more shades. Like, this was fantastic. Fantastic. So that is something that I wish that they would expand on. Other things I wish brands would expand on. Anastasia Beverly Hills, when I first started buying their products, I bought the little oval highlighters first rather than the glow kits. And I still use this all the time. And I'm like, why? You know, this one's Peach Nectar. They have So Hollywood. But they kind of stopped. Where am I going to swatch this? Like that one right there is that highlight, the Peach Nectar. And they stopped coming out with those. It was kind of like they got rid of those and then just came back with all the glow kits. And I'm like, why can't we go back to these? Like, the formula is great. I prefer these over the glow kits. Like, definitely a different like type formula in my opinion than the glow kits. I still love a lot of the glow kits, but I wish they would start bringing these back in more shades. So yeah. All right, newer stuff that I'm like, start making more of these. What's taken so long? Fenty released this during her summer collection. You have your like brow shade or your eyelid shade, and then the other part comes with a glitter. The glitter on these are stunning. She only came out though with 2 different shades, and I'm like, why? Like, these are amazing. I love this thing for like a quick makeup look where I don't have to really think about it. So there's the liquid side right there. They're both liquid sides, but there's the fun one, you know, the one. So I hope that she really starts making more of those. I think they were great. Let's move on. I don't have too much more stuff. So Kylie Cosmetics, yes, her brand has some looks that I'm like, I don't like that. Or products that I'm just like, I don't like that. You didn't try that hard. But then she has some that are awesome, and I'm like, why aren't you making more of this? One is the glitter eyes, which I am starting to see come out with a collection every time, but I wish she would just release a whole collection of these. That is what is on my eyelid right now. That look is on my last video that went up for the Kylie Cosmetics Halloween collection. Another thing I don't understand, the wet set is phenomenal. I love this. Like, this literally is a wet set. It makes your cheeks just, it gives you that blinding, like, this is one of my go-to palettes when I want like a really cool like wet look. Like, as you can see on my hand, like, they are actually wet. Like, it literally looks wet on your cheeks. So I don't understand why she's only come out with 1 of these palettes. The reviews were great where she brought it back, but I'm like, bring out more. I saw the review on like the Kris Jenner one came out, and then when the Jordan one came out, and I'm like, why do you keep going back to the old ones? Why can't you do more of these? I know this was more expensive, but it's worth it for the price for me than the other palettes that don't perform as well. And I love this formula. Like, it literally is like a sponge. Like, you can see your finger indent as you go along. But yes, I really hope she brings more of these colors back. And then also her loose highlighters, I could not find it. I only have the Fiji one, but those are amazing loose. It is my favorite like loose highlighting powder. Like, it's great. So I wish she would come out with more. I think she only has like 3 or 4 shades, but I'm just like, stop releasing one in every collection. Like, just release a collection of these things. Like, I don't get it. Lastly, Marc Jacobs is my, yeah, okay, both items are from Marc Jacobs. I love the Marc Jacobs bronzers. These last me forever. And there's only 2 shades, and I just wish that they would expand on their shade range, do something a little darker. This one is pretty great because it works on a lot of different skin tones, surprisingly. And I still love the one that's in the black packaging, but I wish she would bring out more. I don't know why I say she, he's a he. Whoops. But I wish that they would bring out more shades like these, like in different shades. That's what I'm trying to say. I think they're worth the money. They're expensive, but they last so long. You get so much product, and I love the mirror in this thing. And then again from Marc Jacobs, I wish they would come out. You guys know I use my highliners all the time, and I just wish they would start coming out with more colors. I can't use the ones with glitter in them. I have to have the solid colors, or else my eyes just break out like crazy. So I just wish that they would come out with some more colors. I want a mint green. That's what I want, guys. And a yellow. And a nude. I want so many different colors in this. Like, I have a lot, but I want more. Marc Jacobs, listen to me and bring out more of a range. That is pretty much it, you guys, as far as products I could think of, you know, off the bat that I'm just like, come on, you know, like what happened to the makeup industry? I miss color, I miss things that were fun, and now I mean, I obviously still buy a shit ton of makeup, but I miss these products. They bring back good memories, and I wish they would bring them back to the store. They were good formulas, they were good quality. Why aren't there more of them? Answer me why. So I would love to know your guys' opinions, things that you guys wish that brands would bring back. If you guys like this type of video, I could definitely dig into more, believe me. But I would love to know your guys' opinions and thoughts and makeup products that you miss, makeup products that you want back. Like, give me all your details. And yeah, I think that is probably my tops that I'm like, why? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, it's Halloween, so I'm leaving this background up. I just realized that, and I'm like, I don't care. We're gonna celebrate for another week. Alright, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. Ooh, it's like a frog in my throat. Okay, anyways. Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. I almost said my last name, which is super weird. I don't know why. But, introducing myself. Okay.